there wouldn't have been a lot of SSPs created if it wasn't for this car.
Exactly the way it lives.
It's character. It's irreplaceable, right?
Can't replace it. It's a piece of history.
It would shoot it now. Just under 10 grand. Would you let it go for about that now? Guys, I can't believe this. He's gonna let me just... Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and we're still at the pit show, but I'm doing a video on a special car today. You know I like SSPs on the channel, and behind me is the SSP that started it all. And you guys are in luck today because the original, not the original owner, but the current owner is here, Robert, and he's just gonna talk about the car. I've got a lot of questions for him. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Robert, how's it going? Welcome to the channel.
Great. Doing great.
Yeah, thanks for sharing this with us. And I guess the big question, it's an 82, right? This is the reason why the CHP, who were the first ones to order SSPs, this is why they got it, because they like this car so much, I believe. Is that right?
Yep, it is. It is. They ordered 400 because of this car.
Over 400, yeah. And how long have you had it?
I've had it about 6 years.
6 years, okay. And is this the state you got it in, pretty much?
No, we've done a few things to it.
Okay.
Mike Strinage was the first person to find it. I purchased for him. We're really good friends. Took the car over. Here we are. I just wanted to get it out. It's been at the Powell Museum. Wanted to get it out and let everybody see it. And
okay. Where's the Powell Museum at, by the way? I'm not sure where that's at.
It's in Owensville, Alabama. They were great guys, really good friends.
Is that kind of its main home where it stays most time? Okay.
Yeah, it will be going back there just shortly.
Yeah.
Probably today.
One thing I do really like is you have all these pictures. This is when it was in service. Is this car or other CHPs?
No, that's the in-service pictures.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep.
That is so cool.
Yep.
And you got the Marty report, obviously.
Obviously, it was a police demo car.
Yep.
So it's all documented and ready to go.
Guys, we just had somebody drive to this show in Tennessee from California, and he was talking to Robert. Robert, I bet you get a lot of questions on this car, do you?
I do.
They spot the owner around it, they want to just dive in, which is cool.
Yep.
And that's part of the experience here. One thing I heard you guys talking about, I didn't realize was, I should have known from the pictures, this used to be black, right?
Yes, solid black.
Okay. Yep. And now I read something about, is it primer or spray paint? What's the current?
Primer. They did that when it left the EVOC, when it was an EVOC. It was a training car, and then this is the way it left, basically.
Never got used for actual police duty, right?
No.
Just train the officers and.
Yep. Yep.
Very cool. Is it still the 302 and all that? And
just like it was when it left.
Okay.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. And the roll cage, I heard you telling the guy that's something just for this car. Is
just for this car.
Because they were training and we thought maybe they might get a little
get a little crazy, you know, hit something, didn't want anybody to get hurt, so they put in a roll cage.
That's really cool.
Ford did install that, and it's a Ford deal.
Now I see this is just a little bit of overspray probably, right?
It's exactly the way it left.
That is cool.
Yeah,
I mean, it's character.
It is.
I think it's character. I like that.
Yeah, but it was when it left. So, but yeah, they painted it more than once. It was all black, and then they went and did the doors white. And then they went back and did the top white and the white doors, and then they stuck with that.
Okay.
So, it's a prototype. It's been painted more than once, obviously. So.
And they did that from the time they got an 82 until about how long did they
93.
use it?
Yeah,
okay.
all the way through.
So the prototype they used for 11 years?
This is it. Yep.
Wow, because I don't think regular, I guess it would depend on mileage, but regular SSPs usually wouldn't be around that long, right? Yeah. Maybe 5 years or so?
5 years,
yeah.
No mileage.
Yeah, mileage a lot of it, right?
Yeah. And
wow.
It's been an accident.
So. I noticed one cool thing on the board here. Maybe you could tell me more about this. This gentleman here, I guess he somehow received it. I see that picture there.
That's Emil Loeffler. That is the guy that was over the CHP. That's who introduced these cars. He worked with Ford to introduce them. He's no longer with us. But he did certify the car.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Here's his certification sign and seal, all that.
Yeah.
I mean, that's, You bought the car and you had that already, right?
Yeah, well, Mike
Yeah, Mike had it. Okay.
Yeah, I put all this together. I found all of it. It's been in about 11 different magazines. I went through trying to find original photos and stuff. These were the original drivers of the car. This is the car again with the same driver. Really neat piece. And right here is where it's actually they put it in grades out in the CHP.
Oh wow.
You can see the wheels were different. They put like a nugget wheel on it. It's just kind of neat. So
yeah, and it was about, I saw the sticker price on here, is it just under 10 grand? Is that right?
Brand new.
Would you let it go for about that now?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I think you want to keep this one for a while.
I do. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Have you ever driven it? I'm just curious.
Yeah.
Just sights right down the road a little bit?
Yeah, just down the road, yeah.
To the trailer, on the trailer, off the trailer?
Basically, yeah. From the museum, on the trailer, yeah.
Because it's a unique, you don't want anything to happen to this car. It's irreplaceable, right?
Can't replace it. It's a piece of history. You know, it's deserving it. You know, if it wasn't for this car, there wouldn't be all these other fantastic cars in states. This is where it all started, you know. And this one picture, a lot of people don't understand this picture, but if you'll look right here, there's a metal plate. And what they would do, there was a gun, when they would hit the brake, would actually shoot a nail into the pavement. They would pull off the nail to the car.
Nail in the pavement?
To see the braking distance.
Oh, wow.
That's the way they did it, yeah.
Well, it's a prototype. They wanted to test the braking.
They did.
It would shoot a nail
into the ground and they pull off of it, yep.
I wonder if Road and Track does it like that today. I'm thinking that. Is Road and Track even around anymore? I don't even know.
That's not even real sure. Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
Can you still shoot nails with it? That's what I'm curious.
It's not back there anymore.
Okay.
Okay. But I do have a photo of it.
That's so cool.
The paint is not. Oh God.
It was all black back then. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. It has changed.
Wow, that is neat. I've never heard of shooting a nail out for braking distance.
I've learned a lot.
Yeah.
On this car, a lot of people don't understand that the antenna is on the wrong side of the car.
Okay. Yeah, let's walk over there just a little bit. Because it's normally on the driver's side, so I guess the driver could use it, right?
Yeah, reach out and put it up. That way he could get reception to call back, let them know what is going on. And obviously this car was never put into production. So when they went into production, they realized they had an issue. So they moved it to the other side of the car.
I was gonna say, how did it end up on this? They just didn't think about it.
They didn't
until they.
Yeah. It's just one of those things, you know. It's a mishap. So.
During training, did they have the person, the passenger, always throw? I guess you didn't need it, basically.
No.
That'd be funny. No. Hey, rookie, you need to do the thing, right? Do the
you reach out there and let it
go. I like this. Is that? I mean, it was on the road, but
that's the original. Well, that's not actually the original. That's the reproduction, but that is the tag number.
Okay.
55, 1963. If you look in the photos, all the cars, you know, in the pictures.
Always have that.
And if you look in the door, it's actually marked 1963.
Oh, look at that. I got to show this. That's pretty cool. This was the number produced total Mustangs that year? Or?
No, that was the
unit number.
The unit number.
That's the unit number. Okay. 1963. I've also got an SSP I'm building on the channel, but more for like road racing. But I just love how the coupes, they're light, good power, and there wouldn't have been a lot of SSPs created if it wasn't for this car.
This is where it all started.
Yeah.
It sure is.
Wow. Guys, I can't believe this, but he's going to let me just get a little bit of the interior here. I want to be so gentle with this thing. This is neat. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. Check it out. It's a 4-speed, right?
4-speed, yeah.
Single rail overdrive. This is how they move the lights?
They move the lights and the roll cage, how it bends around the dash. It's just...
Yeah, it's a full cage, not just a bar. And these they use these as well, the harness? Yeah, wow.
Absolutely. Yep. It was a track car.
Full out track car. Did they change anything on the suspension at all?
Did not.
Just pretty much, whatever the SSP had.
Yeah, whatever the SSP.
This is in really good shape. Was this redone at one point?
All original.
Unbelievable.
All original.
Look at this wood grain. It is. This is a tape deck. Somebody added a tape deck at one point.
Somebody else did that, yeah.
Wow. So neat. Oh my goodness, guys. That's pretty cool. I never thought I could sit in that.
No, you're good, bro.
Thanks, man. Guys, one other thing I forgot to mention, not only does he have the first Mustang CHP car, but Robert, you were just telling me, you've got the last Camaro, 2002, right?
I do.
CHP.
I do, yeah.
How cool is that? And it also has a full roll cage?
It absolutely does.
Was it in service as well? Or?
Yeah,
okay.
E-Bot, a factory E-Bot.
Okay.
They made 6 of them. There's 2 left. One's in Indiana, and the other one is obviously I have. So
yeah. And you've also got a 92. What's the deal with the 92? Is it related to the CHP at all?
No,
oh,
okay. It's 82, 92, and 2002.
Okay, yeah. But it is a CHP car.
It's a CHP car.
Okay,
so,
but it was actually used in production and all that.
It's a regular street car.
Okay.
Yep, I wanted one I could actually drive.
Right.
And enjoy.
Yeah.
And the other ones, you know.
And now you got a 4i and you got an aero car. So,
There you go.
yeah.
You gotta have one of each.
Yeah.
Yep,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Don't tell anybody. We won't tell anybody. I used to not like the 4i's, but I like them now. So.
Are they growing on you?
Yeah, he finally grew on me.
Yeah.
You know, it was Matt at Fox Resto's influence. He loves those.
Matt does love them.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I think 85's his year.
It is. Yep. See? Guys, he watches the channel. He watches the channel. 85. We're going to use that as trivia. Maybe we'll do a giveaway sometime.
That's what
Yeah, you would automatically win. But.
Yeah,
Can't beat it. Well, is there any really cool fact I didn't ask you about that you thought? Did we cover it pretty well?
We could go on and on.
I'm sure.
No, that's,
Yeah.
I believe that's it. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, one day, maybe, we'll spot you putting up on the trailer. I know I'm not going to be here today, but that'd be cool to hear it run.
Absolutely.
Yeah, because it
Absolutely.
does fully run, right? And you keep it serviced and all that.
It does everything a regular car does. Absolutely.
Very cool. All right, well, Robert, really appreciate you sharing this with us. Thanks a lot. Also on my channel, and I know they're going to love seeing this car because
Absolutely. I'm glad I got to share with everyone.
yeah, it's a FoxBody channel, and we love SSP, so really appreciate it. Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.
All right, guys, well, there you have it. This was a very exciting video for me to do. The original SSP, I'm an SSP enthusiast, and it's just awesome that Robert would share this with us. So yeah, very, very cool that I got to see this at Pitts. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. And we'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704.